To find IMEI information in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find about phone, and then tap about phone, and then tap status, or you can see IMEI in here. To show the tile, tap status and then tap IMEI information. You can see IMEI eSIM, IMEI SIM. The IMEI number is other network international mobile agreement identity is a unique 15-digit code that precisely identifies the device with the SIM card input. The first 10 digits are defined by GSM Associated Organization. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.